The strength of this storm is coming and going. Sounds like it's ramping up again, which is good because today I would like to share with you one of the ways that I practice meditation and practice surrender. And that's by going out into a storm. Don't worry, I'm only taking the jacket off. Oops, I'm also taking the hat. Going out into a storm. And yes, you can do this in the buff if you want to. But to just be here. Just be present. And practice not even flinching with the raindrops. Practice not even flinching with the lightning and thunder. As you hear the rain, go into that place that's beyond your own self. That place where you know that you are loved and also that you're a wonderful reflection of love to others. And just receive. Receive the rain without excuses. Just like we need to learn to receive compliments without excuses. And just say thank you. Let's do that also with Father and with the rain. Father, I receive the rain. Thank you for this nourishment for the soil, for the earth, and for the life that it gives. And thank you, Father, for the sun. The sun in the sky that helps the plants to grow and everything to flourish. And your only begotten Son, who sits at your right hand. May I receive your love, Father, and may I receive all of your guidance and anything else that you want to say. And Father, may I remember that just like these raindrops, and it may make our body want to protect itself or run and hide. Remind us that our spirit is in charge of how the body reacts. And help me, Father, to practice this place of being able to be in the midst, no matter what is going on around me, and not fight back, but to be in that place of receiving your love, not ever pushing against it, and receiving your information. Father, thank you. Concentrate on your breathing, just slowly, and your heart beats. It's harder to look straight up in the rain because it does make your eyelids bounce. and know that you are strong, that you are able to weather any storm, that you can be out in the midst of it all and get soaking wet, and be in charge of your own emotions, not being reactionary, but choosing how you want to interact with the stresses around you. Find that place of peace. Find that place of calm. And let the love move through you. Receive love and send it. Nobody can make you feel bad about yourself. People can say bad things. That doesn't mean you have to receive it or think it's true. You are the one in charge of what you receive into your heart. Only you. And you're the one who has the strength within you to be able to ride out any storm, to be able to sit through anything and find peace. And then when moved, when you hear the call, then answer how you will answer, out of love, out of compassion, out of empathy, out of kindness. Isn't that the way you also would like to be treated? Isn't that what the scriptures say? It's because God has that religion, you know. His religion is love. Enjoy practicing rain mindfulness. It's an idea for a title. No one will know what I'm saying. You enjoy your day, enjoy the storms, and be safe about them. You'll have a heads up of when it's okay to go out and when it's not. And please, feel free to comment down below. Tell me how you like to practice letting go of stress in the midst of how a Father has laid a suggestion upon your heart. And also, if you enjoy these videos, I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.